Hello guys, welcome back to Chains Adventure Gears, and today we're going to show you the Himmaleh 2XL and the Himmaleh 3XL tent. We'll be installing both of these tents and we'll be seeing the inner fabric, the outer fabric, the poles. First we'll be installing the 2XL tent. This is a completely waterproof tent and completely snowproof tent, you can see. This is the ground sheet of the tent. The ground sheet of the tent is completely PE aluminized ground sheet, and the inner fabric is 190 thread breathable polyester, whereas the outer fabric is 210 threads PU, that is 3000 water column tested. The poles are completely fiberglass poles. It's a very simple installation. Just attach the poles diagonally. Once they are attached, you can just simply clip on. There are clips given at each point, so you can easily just attach it. You can see. Once this is done, you can do the same thing for the other side as well. So in this tent there are three sets of poles. The first two are for the tent, like for the main structure of the tent, and there's one more pole which is given for the third pole is given for the outer door, which is the outer vestibule space of the tent. So the inner fabric is attached. You can simply go for the outer one. This is the outer fabric, you can see. This is completely waterproof. Also the stitching which is done, all are seam sealed. This is PU coated fabric, so water or air won't pass in it. Also there is a ventilation given at the top. This is the vent. So now we have installed the 2XL tent, and now we'll be doing the same for the 3XL tent as well. So you can easily compare both the tents side by side. So if you are planning any treks in the monsoon, in the Sahyadris and the Himalayas, these are all season tents. So you can use them in like monsoon as well. You can use them in the winters as well. Because what happens is in normal tents, in the winters, the dew drops comes in. So for that also these tents are good. Not only meant for rain, but these are meant for all season. And in case of summers, you can simply use just the inner layer. Outer layer is not required in case of summers. So depending upon the climate, you can just adjust the tents and use it according to your preferences. So even the 3XL is an excellent tent. You can see the size of this tent is huge. So you like easily three adults can accommodate along with the luggage. Also both of these tents, the advantage of these tents is that they come along with the vestibule space as well. So what does a vestibule space means? So we'll be showing you in this like coming video, like in this video we'll be showing you what is a vestibule space. So this is the entire, so the inner space of the tent is called the ground sheet and the main area. So this is the main area of the tent which is getting installed now. These tents are very easy to install, and like easily two people can also install it. And if you are like doing this since a long time, even a single person can install these tents. So if you're planning to use these in the summers, you can see you can simply use this one layer as well. This is more than sufficient. This is breathable, so it's quite good for summers. Also the size of the tent, you can see it's huge. And this is the front door. In the front door there's a mesh as well, and there's a fabric coating as well. So if you want, you can open the mesh, and simply you can use both the things, the mesh as well as the fabric, depending upon the usage. Now we'll be installing the outer layer of the tent. So in the outer layer you can see it's the fabric is completely PU coated, as same in the 2XL tent. Both the tents 2XL 3XL, the fabric and everything is the same. The major point of difference is the size, and that's it. Rest the entire all the things are same. Also these tents come along with a guy ropes and pegs as well. If you want, you can fix them in the ground. So there's this small pocket type given in the tent. You can see this pocket. From this we'll be passing another set of poles. So what happens is, in normally all the tents there are two sets of poles, but in this tent there are three sets of poles, both in 3XL as well as 2XL. So this is given for the tunnel shaped like thing. So earlier I mentioned about the vestibule space. So with the help of these poles we'll be creating a vestibule space. So once these poles are passed from one point to another, there's a slot given in the ground sheet where you can just simply fix it. All these are fiberglass poles, so nothing to worry about the quality and the durability. These are quite strong, and the most important thing is these are lightweighted. The 2XL tent weighs around like 3.7 kgs, whereas the 3XL tent is weighs around 4.7 kgs, like, and including the entire kit, the poles, the fabric, the guy ropes, pegs, everything. So you can simply see in this video that, and also in both the videos we have like made this point of difference that in the 2XL we have not created the vestibule space. So you'll be able to clearly see the difference, like why vestibule space matters a lot. So now we'll be fixing the pegs. So this is the vestibule space. You can see the tunnel which is starting. So the main part of the vestibule space is that when you are, if you don't want to sit inside the tent, you can simply sit outside as well. Also you can keep your shoes, your basic luggage outside, because if you keep your shoes or socks or like these things inside, it will stink and it will be difficult for you to sleep inside the tent. So the best part about the vestibule space is that you can keep all your extras outside the tent. And even this is a safe space because there is a zipper given over there. So you can see we have closed the zipper. So now the shape of the tent is complete. It's like perfect. You can see it's a beautiful tent. Like if you're looking for the treks in the Himalayas, in the Sayadi, it's a beautiful tent. And the this tent comes in three colors. This is the green color, the backside which is kept, the 2XL one, that is a blue color, and the third one is a orange. We'll be sharing the link in the description box if you want to buy, if you want to order, and if you want to check this tent in person, you can visit our outlet as well. So these are the pegs and these are the guy ropes. You can see you can use them when the weather is stormy, when the weather is windy, to fix the tents. These guy ropes and pegs, you can fix it from here. These all slots are given, you can fix it from here. The pegs will go here, the pegs will go here, here, and all the four sides you can fix the pegs. And at all points the guy, you can fix the ropes from here. These are the ropes, and this is the ventilation given. If you are like camping in winters and extreme rainy season, this is a vent given for breathability. And the basic difference between the 3XL and 2XL is the size difference, as well as you can see this is a basic tent. Like in this we have not fixed the vestibule space, the extra pole, like this pole which I'm talking about. In this tent it is kept as it is, so you'll clearly see the difference that at least you are getting like 3 to 4 feet of space outside the tent to keep all your luggage and everything. Although both the tents are the same, exactly the same, in this tent also you'll get that vestibule space extra pole. And now we'll be going inside the tent to give you an idea. So now we'll give you an overview of the tent. See, you can come inside. So this is a 3XL tent, and you can see it's quite huge, quite big. This is the mesh net, this is the fabric, and this is the space outside. So you can keep all your stuff like the shoes and everything outside. Also the space is quite huge. You can see like there are pockets given over here, and easily, I feel easily, you can see I'm sleeping on one side, and like like people like me, I guess easily four can accommodate inside a tent very comfortably. Also on the top there's this mesh given for ventilation. uh, there's this hook given where you can hang your camping tent, camping light. You can hang your camping light over here, you can hang your fan if you're having any. So we have installed both the tents. This is the 2XL, you can see Hurricane 2XL, and that is the Hurricane 3XL. Both the tents are kept side by side. You can see uh, there's a size difference in the width and the length as well. Both the tents are excellent. This is the vent given, and we'll show you the overview 360 view from all the sides. You can see that is a 2X, right one blue is a 2XL, right, and
And
left
the left
one
one is the
is
3XL.
So if you are looking to accommodate 3 people comfortably, then 3XL is the one. If you're looking for 2 people, then 2XL is the one. And this is the base camp. This is a huge tent. This is meant for families. This is meant for outdoor camping if you're traveling through cars, because this is quite a heavy tent. The 2XL is around 3.7 kgs, whereas the 3XL is around 4.7 kgs, and this is the base camp 4.1. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can simply reach out to us. Our number and everything details is given in the description. Our store is in Thane. You can visit our Thane outlet as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day. Cheers.